Control's double-edged sword. A toddler screams, "I do it!" then melts down when the shoelace knots. Too little control breeds helplessness. Too much invites overwhelm. So we blame traffic, fate, or Mercury retrograde to dodge responsibility. Control craves balance. Memory the mythmaker. Grandma swears the fish was this big, and with each retelling the beast grows fins of legend. Memory isn't a courtroom transcript. It's a novelist who rewrites scenes to suit today's mood. Memory rewrites reality. Shortcut addiction. At 2 a.m., you buy mystery crypto because everyone's talking about it. Heuristics once saved cavemen from tigers. Now they empty wallets and resurrect exes in your text history. Shortcuts charge interest. Pain teaches. Pleasure numbs. A runner limps through the final mile and levels up forever. The couch dweller masters snack retrieval. Growth hides behind discomfort, but Netflix offers immediate anesthesia. Discomfort grows muscles. Fragile ego armor. Online, evidence piles up against your hot take, yet you dig trenches around it. Attacks on ideas feel like attacks on you, so facts bounce off your reinforced identity. Identity repels facts. Avoiding the change toll, January gym crowds burst with optimism. By February, echoes dominate the dumbbell rack. Real change is a marathon disguised as a sprint, and most quit at the first blister. Change hurts. Keep going. Meaning or bust, a sailor lost at sea clings to any star for direction. Humans need meaning that badly. Lacking it, we grab horoscopes, vibes, and hashtags to fill the void. Meaning beats mere mood.